Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Let's have our first video in a series for rounded shapes and solids. Rounded shapes are everywhere. We can find like this plate, for example, paper towels or toilet papers, which are like gold these days. Pots. You can see like cap of your pencils. Anything is rounded around you. So the main thing, or let's talk about circles. Circles as most famous, of course, rounded shape. Circle has main parts, like this is not just a regular circle. You have a center. That red thing that I have drawn here, that's what we call the perimeter of the circle. Okay, this is where all the points that are equidistant from the center lies. That line that connects the center here, we call it R, which is the radius. Okay, and the whole thing here, we call it a diameter. So it's very clear that the diameter is double the radius. Okay. Now, any part of the circle, if I do that, for example, this section here, we can call it arc, and the area enclosed here, we can call it a sector, and there are other lines that you can draw anywhere in the circle. We call them chords. Okay, chords. Of course, the longest chord is the diameter. The longest chord is the diameter. Okay, and this area that has been enclosed here with a chord and the circle, we can call it a segment. Okay, now we don't worry about all these names. What I worry about is the diameter and the radius. The diameter and that radius part of it. Okay, so let's see what do we need about the circle. We need to find the circumference. We need to find the circumference, and we need to find the area. So keep tuned. In the next video, we are going to learn about that.